G'day everyone, welcome back. It's been a little while. Hope you're all having a really good day. So, quite a lot's going on in this last month. If you'd like to check out previous video, have a little sticky beak over that one. We'll do over there today. So, quite a lot has happened. It's been about a month. Numbers have started to become a little bit more reliable again. Prices on golds have been ticking around where I predicted last month, which is nice. Been a few manipulation attempts, and one of the big things that I'm noticing is that fundamentally there's a lot less confidence in the market, and there's also larger holders of a lot of Counter-Strike items have been sitting and selling. So how about we go through all of this today? Let me know what you think. Have a fantastic day. I know I've been sort of hiding like a little crab underneath the sands. It's alright. When it's stormy out, it's best to just chill out, have a wait, have a think, and see what happens before making a move. Alright, let's get into it. So to get us started, having a look at numbers, the weekly numbers that we're going to have to be pulling from for a little while. Having a look at the monthlies, we're still way over considering the gold, all the trade ups, everything that's gone on. At the moment, weekly numbers have been more accurate. So you're not seeing these massive swings. The opening numbers are still sitting around where they should be. Looking at CSGO case tracker and talking to Frederick, he's the creator and owner of CSGO case tracker. It went through some of his methodology. If I can, I'll have that posted if he's alright with sharing that. If not, I'll have to leave it. That's fine. It's all up to him. So he mentions that his methodology for calculating the numbers hasn't changed. This spike from the trade ups has caused a few initial issues, but it will settle back down, which we can start to see again if we're looking at weekly totals. They're starting to come back into line. The thoughts of opening 20, 50 million fevers a month or whatever stupid amount it was is clearly wrong. So, but these numbers are starting to come back into line. Everything's starting to come along beautifully. So happy now that we can trust some of these numbers, start making some decisions again. It's been a while since we've been able to make any decisions regarding some selling, except for, of course, when you come across something like Amcal. That that was a very, very, very easy sell. I would like to point out as well to this guy, what just sell. It's fine. You're allowed to sell stuff. It's okay. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for the content on that one. That was perfect. So in regards to trade ups, they have been affecting the market as I've expected. We had the initial real sharp pull down with the market, which was a great buying opportunity if you were using Steam funds. Everything else got reversed, which bad luck, guys. The rubber band pulled down really, really hard, has been snapped back. Everything sort of came up kind of to where it was. Then the supply has now started to reveal itself. Prices have been sitting at a discount of about 30% on average across the board, which has been really good, bringing some more items back onto the Steam market, giving some people more accessibility to knives, even from all the way from the low end, all the way through your mid tiers to your low high end. People are getting more accessible skins. This has been fantastic for the game as just overall. This has been really, really positive. Been very happy with that. More people that get to play with their skins. Fucking, it's sweet. It's awesome. Love it. Love to see it. But yeah, prices should be pretty stable from here, and then any other further price movements will just be on other factors, growing player bases, shrinking player bases, the majors. Actually, yeah, we have to talk about the major today, hey? may as well, before the sale hits, we'll have a chat about that, hey? Budapest. Big old major, hey? That is quite doo-doo. I have not been a fan. This is the first major. I haven't even bought the coin. Jesus. I have not been a fan. Stickers, I don't like. Basically, it's a recolored Rio. The new patchwork instead of foils. No, they just look like papers when they're applied. The hollows are a mishmash of colours that you can't really hit a good theme. Golds, like with Rio, they're probably the best part about it. Yeah, good luck to the team's financials after this major. From what I've seen on application numbers, there's very little Budapest being applied. It is pre-sale. There's very few listed on the market, but it's not looking promising. In general, major investing is a little bit right now. People are just looking to try and flip stuff for a quick buck. It hasn't been working, and they're going to get burned enough times that they'll just stop. It'll happen. It'll happen eventually. Maybe it's this major. I don't know. There's nothing that's particularly attention grabbing at this stage. The autographs, the whole major has been an absolute schmozzle, eh? From technicality issues to just straight quality issues to how the major has been run. Whew, that can be its own topic. There's a whole bunch of people that have been expressing it. In Australia, the Budapest major times are not compatible with me. I'm getting on. I'm unk level now. I'm not staying up till 2, 3 a.m. just to watch some Counter-Strike. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to get involved with this major. I'm just happy that FlyQuest initially 3-0'd. Sad that they then 0-3'd, but that's all right. Got to get your pick'ems in, hey? Next part that I want to discuss with you all, there's been some of the usual manipulation attempts coming from China. Your glove cases have been ones. Amcal hollows from Copenhagen. Oh boy, that was a fun time. I tell you what, managed to sell. So I'll give you full transparency on what I had here. 123 Amcal hollows. I started selling at 90 Australian on the Steam market. Ended up selling most of them for about 70. So and I've picked up, what was it? Talonfade, field tested vices, Karambit marble fade, some emerald web gloves. I picked up so much stuff just because, and I've still got a full wallet that is now sitting for buy orders and is doing its thing quite happily. I am very, very happy with how that turned out. Take these opportunities to take your money off the table, guys. Like most of those skins, probably all of them. They're all coming out. I'm happy taking some money off the table. Got to earn my keep a little bit. Got to buy a house, guys. Can't do that when I'm doing. Can't do that when it's all just skins. Nobody will take that as payment. Not around here. Now to one of the larger, probably the large topic on today's video. The loss of confidence in the market from larger investors. There's been a few things that have happened lately that have been tolerable because they've been aimed at like targeting scammers. Your trade reversals, your 7-day holds, they're the two biggest ones. Trade reversals is probably one of the larger impacts, or kind of an impact, kind of ended up being a nothing burger, just made everything a little bit slower, especially for cashing out. It happens, it's fine. The trade up to knives has, for a lot of these older investors that I've spoken with anyway, they're cashing out and reducing risk because Valve has fundamentally changed how trade ups work, both in their maths and being able to trade up golds. They've completely changed how the game is played on a quote-unquote minor update. That was... The patch note said minor update. I still can't believe that. And this is what we have to deal with. Yeah. They have now shown a willingness to update and change fundamentals in how the market and the game work. People who have large positions have seen this as a sign to take money off the table while they can. And that's a perfectly reasonable thing to do in this situation. You have the game company who's made such a massive alteration to how maths worked for the game and for accessibility and exclusivity of their rarest items. You can see how that's worked. Sure, they may have done it for they could have done it for a whole range of purposes, but it has now changed the perspective and the risk on the game and on the market that's involved. So think about it. This isn't as bad as, but think about it like PUBG. PUBG market was doing well. Turn around with an update, everything's gone to 3 cents and nothing is worth anything anymore. It happens. I don't think Valve is going to go that bad, but being able to change how the investment vehicles work, how everything has been maintained, adds significant risk without adding a better return multiplier, which is why a lot of people are in this. You are accepting risk that you're buying into a video game. It's a game. We all play this game for the most part. We play this game, do our thing, and this is where we end up. If your risk profile has gotten higher, but your potential return hasn't changed or gotten worse, take money off the table. Like, that's 100% an acceptable thing to do. Isn't it, Theodore? Hey? So, guys, while I'm recording, I've got my boy has come in. This little chonker is a sweet little boy. All he wants with his 3 legs, as you can see, missing a leg. That's alright. But he's just wanting a little bit of love. Hey? That's okay. Yeah. There's a lot less confidence going on in the market now. There's a lot less that's ticking over for... there's less reasons to be buying into this market. Oh, mate, you're clawing into my shoulder. Good boy. Have a seat. There's a lot less reasons to stay in this market. Taking money off the table is not a bad idea at opportunities that you can. I'm taking some significant risk off the table. I already have taken risk off the table. I've already taken some money out and I'm cruising. I'm happy. Will I take more off? Maybe. Will I take significantly more off? I don't know. We'll see. But that's alright. See what happens, hey? You all have a fantastic day. And I'll see you next... Oh, wait. Before we go next time, I have one more thing. Nah, I'm just kidding with you guys. It's the end. It's the end of the video. I think I covered pretty much everything that I wanted to. You all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time, eh?